homeowner from Western Finland, Jouni. Should I buy this Stihl MS500i for my regular life?
I think you are not so used to use chainsaw. How often do you use chainsaw?
Once a year.
Once a year. I wouldn't recommend MS500. A few reasons: it weighs, as you can see.
Yeah.
If you don't have skills and you are not used to weightlifting, maybe so, and you are not used to power of the chainsaw, probably you will kill yourself with it, because it's so powerful that it can go through your safety trousers. It's so powerful, and also because of the length of the bar. It's 28. What is tuuma?
Inches.
Maybe there is two reasons, and I think you don't need that big and that length of the bar because you don't have so big trees.
But bigger is better, like we've seen in movies.
I don't think so. I would recommend a more sharp chain will be better solution.
So you think this is too difficult saw for me and for my skills?
That's for professionals. Yeah, I would recommend smaller chainsaw.
Can you give me something that is more suitable for me?
Maybe this one.
I bet he's coming from there with the handsaw or an axe.
Another 540 XP. Maybe this one.
Very much lighter than the MS500i. Feels actually, yeah. This is much cleaner.
Yeah, I haven't been using it so much.
So what kind of work is this for or meant to?
Firewood work.
Ah,
Maybe you can imagine you can handle this diameter trees plus 2 or 2 times, because you can do the sawing from both sides. So you can cut about 50-60 centimeters.
yeah. So perfect for homeowners.
Yeah, I would recommend that.
Okay, thank you for this recommendation.
Work safely.